Hi, it's Dhaval Patel at Rovi Homes. We're here at 2 Kimberly Drive in Enfield, Connecticut. This beautiful race ranch is over 2,000 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look. Built in 1985, this home features 3 beds, 2 baths, and a fireplace. Outside, you'll find 1/3 of an acre and a freshly painted deck. You'll be glad to hear that the roof was replaced last year and the furnace is brand new. The garage doors are also new, in addition to the 4 main posts out front. Thank you so much for stopping by. We look forward to seeing you at the open house. Feel free to leave any of your questions below at the number. I'm happy to also provide a free home value so you know what your home is worth in today's market. Believe it or not, Hartford County is the #1 market in the entire country, so I look forward to working together. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.